Okay guys, so from a recent video, it wasn't that recent, but you may remember my Megaminx. Link to that video if you haven't seen it. Up here? No, here. In that icon? Information icon. In the information icon, you will see the video of me unboxing this Megaminx. So, I know how to solve it, and I've decided to do a time on camera, not a time, a solve. So I'm scrambling it up. Yellow side scramble. It looked like I wasn't ish from the front because you could only see the yellow side. So as you can see, that's a nice scramble. So I'm going to do the white side first. I need to make the star. I call it the star. Most people just call it the cross because that's what it's called on a 3x3. But I call it the star because star. I do use F2L on this, so I'm now going to do... The way that you do it is you do the first two layers with like 3x3 really. So... Bam. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, I'm just doing a F2L. See, I've made my first F2L pair, which is now inserted in there. It takes a lot more time to do these first two layers because you've got 5 corners to do. But I'm actually super bad at it because it's quite hard to find the pieces. Because of the side of the cube. Thithe. Did I just say thithe? It's probably super boring for you guys right now. In the eye. If I'm pointing to the wrong side, I'm just going to point like this. In the eye, there'll be a thing saying if you're bored of this video or not. Can you vote on that if you want to put some stuff forward? A new piece, because, yeah, I've already found the edge for this one. Can't believe that took me so long. Now I've just got to insert it. So I've made the pair. Thumbs up if you want to see any other videos on my other channels. Or if you just want me to keep on uploading on this channel, thumbs up. Anyway. Actually, eye icon it once again. Click on the thing. This is gonna make me do so much editing. Why am I doing this? If you notice chicken nuggets. Why did I just do that? White. Oh, found it. Yes! I'm not as bad at finding pieces as I thought. Yeah, I am. I'm double as bad as I thought. Yeah, we'll be starting to upload a lot more soon because I'm out of school, so yep. We're gonna start uploading like daily? No, maybe. No, not daily. Don't get your hopes up. I won't be uploading daily. Maybe like weekly, which is my current aim, but I'm not doing very well. I can't believe how long I haven't uploaded for. I am gonna cut ahead until I've done a side, okay? Like another side. Guys, red face solved. Next face. As I solve more faces, I feel like it should get slightly easier every face I solve, because there's slightly less spots that the things could be in. So I'll probably keep the rest of it on camera when I get pretty far into the cube. Pull it out. Okay, found it. See, it's just super quick to find, and I can find it while solving when I get later on into the cube. Found it. Yep. See, that was like a super quick find. Well, I say super quick. Super quick. See, blue face already done from that. Then let's do which one's the most common? Green face. Okay, we're doing the green face this time. Bam, there it is. Boom, bam, boom, beep. Burger, cheeseburger. Wait, so if I am doing a solve and I missed the timer in a competition, also, what would you guys count as a +2? Because would you count that? No, not that. That's 2. I can't really. I'll show you it when I do a 3x3 solve in the next video. You'll see what I mean. Why do I do these things? I'm starting to try to edit a lot more because right now my videos are just rubbish. So I kind of need to edit and, you know. I might do some time-lapse solves when I really start to edit my videos. I need a software, which is pretty much the only annoying thing. But I'm nearly onto the last layer. I just have one more pair to make an insert, which is that and that. Okay, so let me just connect the pair. F-U-2. Okay, and this is like a really hard cube to look at notation for, sort of, because you've got U2 prime. So let me just grab this, and there we go. Most of it's coming out well. Last layer, F R E R prime E prime F prime. I've got the star solved on the last layer. I used to be super confused on why they chose such weird colours, but now I realise it's a dodecahedron, which means like 12 sides. Which means it's super hard to choose the colours. So I kind of said, I could always re-sticker it. But that would take too much effort. And I don't like effort. Just joking, I'm fine with effort. And let's go. Okay. And bam, 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 bam. Right up to the. Now, what I have to do is right up to the. Okay, right up to the. Okay, I have got those solved. Up, right, up, left, right, up, left. Okay, dokie. So, let's go. Okay, so I should have. Why did I just start doing an accent? I've just realised how my Megaminx has been in front of my face for the whole video. It's pretty big. Okay. Now I just go onto the R prime D prime RDs and hope it doesn't scramble my cube when I finish it, but you know, you never know. Do corner twists really exist on this cube? I don't think they do. Because actually, do they? And guys, that is the end. Pretty much 9 minutes. Nice. Probably 10 minutes. No, 9 minutes because I had the introduction. Okay. That was good. see you in the next video. I have a lot of editing to do.